Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share for more good videos. Thank you.
Alright, Dave, Brian and Emma. We're just going to look for some useful things at Goodwill today, maybe some clothes, kitchen stuff or books.
I hope I find a cool board game.
I want to check out the DVDs and VHSs.
I hope they have bold toys. I want to look for something fun.
Dave. We've talked about this, you're way too old to have toys, especially in the 80s. We're here to find practical stuff, not vintage toys.
HMPH.
Mom, I found a season of SpongeBob on DVD. Can I get it?
Sure, honey. Let me see, how much is it?
Oh my gosh, it's a Viewmaster Interactive Vision. Yes, this is the best day of my life. I seen one of these old commercials on YouTube and I want it so badly.
Dave. What did you found and get? And please don't cause a scene.
Look at it. It's a Viewmaster Interactive Vision. And it comes with Sesame Street. Let's learn to play together VHS. This is a treasure from heaven.
Dave. You're almost in your 40s, that thing is meant for little kids. It probably doesn't even work anymore.
What? How dare you say that to me? This is my childhood, my joy, my happiness.
No! You're not getting it.
But Catherine, I want it, I need it. I'll die without it.
Dad, people are staring.
What? I want the Viewmaster Interactive Vision. I want the Viewmaster Interactive Vision. I want the Viewmaster Interactive Vision. Give it to me now. Now. What?
Dave. Get up, you're embarrassing all of us.
Excuse me, sir, I'm going to have to ask you to stop.
Shut up! You want me toy? Wow.
What the heck is wrong with that guy?
I'm never showing my face here again.
Sir, this is your last warning. Stop causing a disturbance or you'll have to leave.
You can't take my Viewmaster away from me. I'm a grown man. I do what I want.
I'm so sorry about this.
All of you, out. Now. You're banned from this location.
Thanks a lot, Dad.
No!
I was so close. Why is life so unfair? That
was the most humiliating thing you've ever done, Dave.
You embarrassed the whole family over a toy from 1988.
We got kicked out of Goodwill.
But it had Big Bertha on it. It also did have Kermit the Frog and Mickey Mouse.
When we get home, you're grounded. No retro commercials, no VHS tapes, no cereal box toys for a month.